Hi, I'm James Cooper, and I'm the campus president of Tulsa Welding School, Dallas. Here at our new campus, we have great programs. Our electrical line worker program is 15 weeks. During this pre-apprenticeship training, you'll learn to climb poles of differing heights. You'll receive several certifications such as CPR, OSHA 10, Flagger, Bucket Truck Rescue, and more. Our professional welding program is what we're really known for. During that program, you'll learn different types of welding such as MIG, TIG, stick, and flux. And even when you're not in the lab, we have a virtual technology called AccuWeld that will allow for you to practice in the comfort of your own home. Our Refrigeration Technologies program is a 7-month program where you'll get to work on both commercial and residential units for both heating and cooling. Come on down to Tulsa Welding School's newest campus, Tulsa Welding School, Dallas. Go to tws.edu, come on now.